Did you know that you can use your phone to scan your Wi-Fi signal to improve it at your home or office? You can unlock a lot of features in the Gallery app to take your gallery to the next level. You can even create GIFs from your phone of any video, and you can share it with your friends and family to make your conversation even more interesting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have a Samsung phone, then you're in luck. Today I'm going to teach you 8 hidden features that are already there on your phone, and all you have to do is enable them to take your Galaxy experience to a whole new level. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me grow and encourage me to make more videos for you. Without any further delay, let's dive in. There are a whole bunch of features in your Gallery app under Gallery Labs. How to unlock it? Go into Settings in your Gallery, scroll right down, click on About Gallery, and here where it says Version, tap on it a couple of times until you get a message over here that says Gallery Labs enabled. You must have noticed that when you click on any album, all your photos show up in a straight line, and that's not very neat or organized. If you want to change that, go into Settings, Gallery Lab, and if you scroll down a little, you'll see Timeline in Albums. Select this. Once you select that and you go back to the album, you'll see that it has been grouped by date. This is a neater approach, and you'll be able to organize your photos in a better way. You must have noticed that when you click on any video, you get a progress bar at the bottom. This is the new system, but in my opinion there's a better way. Let me show how you can enable that. Go back into Gallery Labs, scroll down a little until you see Video Player Mode on Film Strip. Click on that and select Legacy Video Seek Bar. Also make sure that you exit the app completely for the new setting to apply. So close it, relaunch, and now when you play any video, you can see that there's a seek bar over here, a progress bar seek bar, which is much better, and it makes it easier for you to track your video. You can go through all the different features that are there in Gallery Labs. There are a lot of good ones. Like you can select play next video automatically, so it will continuously play all your videos. And there are many features over here that you can enable. So dive into Gallery Labs and have a look at all the features that interest you and enable them. Your Samsung phone has an inbuilt feature that can help you scan your Wi-Fi signal to ensure that you get the best Wi-Fi quality at your home or office. It will show you your Wi-Fi strength, and using that information, you can reposition your Wi-Fi router to enhance your Wi-Fi experience. Let me show how you can enable this feature. Go into Settings, click on Connections, click on Wi-Fi, click on the 3 dots, select Intelligent Wi-Fi, and here where it says Intelligent Wi-Fi, tap on it 7 times. This will enable Wi-Fi Developer Mode. Go into Wi-Fi Developer Options, select Nearby Wi-Fi Information, focus on RSSI band. This will give you the signal strength. The graph is also very informative. It will show you best, good, bad, worst. So if your Wi-Fi signal is -63 and below, that's really good. Anything above that is bad, and you need to reposition your Wi-Fi router so that wherever your setup is, you get the best Wi-Fi signal strength. You can also set up your phone to turn Wi-Fi on or off automatically, which will help you save battery life. To enable this, go into Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, select the 3 dots, click on Intelligent Wi-Fi, and here you'll be able to see Turn Wi-Fi on or off automatically. Enabling this feature will improve your battery life, as your phone will not constantly keep looking for Wi-Fi when it's not available. You can use your Samsung phone to create a GIF from any video that you like. Let me show how you can do that. Slide in from your Edge panel and select the animation button. This will give you an outline, and once you select the video that you like and the portion of it, make sure that the record quality is high and then hit record. This will record to a maximum of 15 seconds, and once you're happy with it, just click on stop. You can then further edit this, share it or save it. Once you save it, it goes into your gallery. You can then share it to whoever you like and use it in any conversation, and this will make your conversations a lot more interesting. If for some reason you don't see the Edge panel or the settings in your Edge panel, go into Settings, scroll down to Display, scroll down to where it says Edge Panels, tap on it, make sure it's enabled, click on Panels, and make sure Smart Select is enabled. There's a very important feature on your Samsung phone that many people overlook. Just like an iPhone, if you lose your Samsung phone, you can locate it by going to findmymobile.samsung.com. Strangely enough, this feature is not enabled by default, and you need to enable it in order to track your phone if you lose it. To do that, go into Settings, scroll down to Security and Privacy, and here you can see Find My Mobile is there. Click on it and click on Offline Finding. Go a step back, and here you'll be able to see your Samsung account. it says allow this phone to be found. You can also enable send last location, and you can also enable offline finding. What this will do is that even if your phone does not have any network, it will use nearby Galaxy devices to pinpoint the location of your phone. This will make it easier for you to locate your phone if you lose it, or worse, if it gets stolen. Another feature that you need to enable is emergency sharing. This can be a real lifesaver as it can provide information to your loved ones when you're in a sticky moment. To enable this feature, go into Settings, scroll down to Safety and Emergency, and here you'll be able to see Emergency Sharing. Click on it. You need to grant permission for the following, as emergency sharing is going to share information such as location or audio notes or even photos when you trigger this feature. So click on Continue. And now it will ask you to add some emergency contact. Once you add the emergency contact, go back. After adding your contact, you need to click on Start Emergency Sharing. This feature will let your emergency contacts know your last location or even if your battery runs low. So click on Start Emergency Sharing and then click on Start. After you start your emergency sharing, go back and also enable Emergency SOS. Once this is enabled, and if you're ever in a difficult situation, just triple tap the power button and it will start a call to your emergency contact. This is an amazing feature that is already there in your Samsung. Just make sure you enable it, because it's better to have this feature and not need it than to need it and not have it. If you want to organize your home screens in a much better way and not have multiple pages with all your widgets on them, you can now stack your widgets. So just tap and hold on a widget and drag it on top of another widget, and you can see it's now got stacked. So it will help save a lot of space, and you can stack as many widgets as you want, and they will also automatically keep rotating. You can even tap and hold on a stacked widget, and you can edit, stack, remove all, or even go into settings. From here you can select whether your widget is going to be a light or a dark one, or whether you want it transparent or not, and you can even enable it to match with dark mode. And once you click on save, your widget is ready. You can even edit your stack. You can remove any particular widget from here, or you can even add another widget from here. Enabling auto rotate will automatically keep on rotating your widgets throughout the day, but if you want it to be static to one, just disable this feature. Did you know that Samsung phones running One UI 5 or newer allows you to set a specific language for a specific app? Let me show how you can do this. Go into Settings, scroll all the way down, click on General Management, and here you can select App Languages. There are only a certain number of apps that are compatible with this. So for example, if I want to set my Gmail app to any other language, I can do that from here. And once again, this is only applicable to apps that support multilingual languages. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos just like these. See you in the next one.